Vibrations define our existence, from thoughts and emotions to physical bodies. The 21 levels of vibration offer insight into how we can raise our consciousness and reach higher states of being. At the bottom of this scale lies shame. It's a deep feeling of inadequacy and embarrassment. A child constantly criticized by peers or family might develop this. They start to believe they're flawed, leading them to hide from the world. Guilt sits slightly above shame. It's the regret we feel after doing something wrong. Think of someone who lied to a friend. They might wish they hadn't and feel bad about their actions. While guilt can motivate self-improvement, it can also trap us in self-blame. Next comes apathy. This is a state of not caring and lacking motivation. Someone who's faced many setbacks might feel nothing matters anymore. They stop pursuing goals and lose their sense of purpose. Above apathy, we find grief. It's the profound sadness that follows a significant loss. When we lose someone dear, we experience deep sorrow. Although painful, grief can lead to healing and growth. These lower vibrations can be challenging, but understanding them is the first step towards moving to higher states of being. Sadness is a natural part of life. When people allow themselves to feel sad and express their emotions, they begin to heal. Grieving helps individuals cope with pain and start feeling better. Over time, they can discover ways to move forward and find peace. Fear is a powerful emotion that can make people feel stuck. It often prevents them from trying new things or leaving their comfort zone. For example, someone might avoid applying for a new job due to worry about failure. However, fear also serves a positive purpose. It helps us stay safe by alerting us to potential dangers, like avoiding risky situations. When people overcome their fears, they reach the level of desire. This is when someone strongly wants something, such as a new car, a better job, or a loving relationship. This craving can motivate people to work hard and achieve their goals. However, constantly wanting more without feeling satisfied can lead to frustration. It's crucial to balance desire with contentment to avoid constant dissatisfaction. Anger often arises when someone feels frustrated or believes something is unfair. For instance, if a person feels mistreated at work, they might become angry. Unmanaged anger can be harmful, leading to hurtful actions or words. However, when used positively, anger can drive people to stand up for themselves and make necessary changes. Pride is feeling good about oneself and one's achievements. It's similar to a student feeling proud after earning a high grade on a difficult exam. Pride helps build self-esteem and confidence. However, excessive pride can make someone arrogant and disconnected from others. They might start believing they're superior to everyone else. Spiritual growth involves moving beyond pride to embrace humility and connection with others. It's okay to feel good about our accomplishments, but we must stay humble. We should remember that we're all part of a larger community. Facing challenges or struggling in life can be difficult. Support and encouragement from others can make a big difference. Kindness has the power to uplift and inspire those around us. Courage marks a significant shift in personal growth. At this level, people begin to take control of their lives. They face challenges head-on with determination. For example, someone might confront a difficult situation at work instead of avoiding it. Courage empowers individuals to pursue their goals and take meaningful action. It helps them feel stronger and more capable in their daily lives. Beyond courage lies neutrality. In this state, people adopt a balanced approach to life. They don't get overly excited or upset by events. This helps them stay calm and resilient in various situations. If someone faces a setback, they can handle it without excessive stress. They understand that ups and downs are a natural part of life's journey. As we progress, we reach the vibration of willingness. This level is marked by openness to new experiences and readiness to embrace change. A person at this level might try new hobbies or learn new skills. Willingness makes it easier for people to grow and adapt. It helps them overcome obstacles more smoothly in their personal development. Following willingness is acceptance. This stage is characterized by understanding and not judging oneself or others harshly. It's an important step in personal growth. Acceptance is about recognizing things as they are and finding peace with them. It involves acknowledging that some situations can't be changed, but our response can. This mindset brings a sense of calm, and eases the struggle against life's natural flow. Accepting what is helps people find harmony within themselves and with others. It fosters a more serene and balanced life. Reason is the next level of vibration. At this stage, people use logic and clear thinking to make decisions. For example, someone might carefully weigh the pros and cons before making a big life choice. This could be buying a house or changing jobs. Reason helps in solving problems and understanding situations clearly. It's important to balance reason with intuition and emotional intelligence. This means using both the mind and heart to make well-rounded decisions. Beyond reason lies love, one of the highest vibrations. Love at this level is selfless and unconditional. It's given freely without expecting anything in return. It's similar to the love a parent has for their child, always nurturing and caring. This kind of love creates deep connections and encourages compassion for others. It helps people think about everyone's well-being, not just their own. This leads to a more caring and harmonious world. Next, we encounter the vibration of joy. Joy is a state of great happiness and contentment. It often comes with feelings of gratitude and appreciation for life's good things. For instance, someone might feel joyful while spending time with loved ones or enjoying nature. Joyful people spread positive energy, lifting the spirits of those around them. Following joy is peace. Peace is a deep sense of tranquility and harmony. People who are peaceful stay calm no matter what's happening around them. They don't get easily upset by external circumstances. Inner peace allows individuals to remain steady and calm during stressful situations. This steady calmness helps them handle life's challenges with grace and composure. Peace brings a lasting sense of contentment and balance, making life more enjoyable and fulfilling. Higher up is the vibration of enlightenment. This state represents a deep understanding that everything in life is connected. There are universal truths that we can align with. People who reach enlightenment feel a profound sense of completeness and spiritual fulfillment. They are guided toward becoming the best version of themselves, reaching their highest potential. Beyond enlightenment lies transcendence. At this level, individuals go beyond the physical limitations of the world. They experience a unity with the divine. It's like feeling a powerful connection with something much greater than ourselves. Transcendence brings spiritual ecstasy and an unwavering connection to the source of all creation. It makes one feel deeply united with the universe. Beyond transcendence, we reach the level of cosmic consciousness. At this stage, people become aware of the vastness of the universe. They understand their place within it. They feel a deep sense of purpose and are committed to serving the greater good. For instance, they might dedicate themselves to causes that benefit humanity and the planet. They understand that everything is interconnected. Following cosmic consciousness is divine love. This is a state where individuals embody pure, unconditional love. It goes beyond any earthly attachments and desires. Divine love is about selflessness and compassion in its highest form. This ultimate expression of love transforms not only the individual, but also those around them. Reaching the highest level of vibration, people embody unity consciousness. They experience a deep connection with all life, feeling at one with the universe. This state brings immense peace, joy, and purpose. Those at this level understand they're part of something greater. Unity consciousness represents the pinnacle of personal growth. It's where individuals fully align with their highest selves and universal energy. They feel whole and complete, sensing a profound link to everything around them. This state is the ultimate goal of the vibrational journey. It's where people find true harmony with themselves and the world. They spread kindness and compassion naturally, positively impacting their surroundings. In unity consciousness, boundaries dissolve. People recognize the interconnectedness of all things. They experience a sense of oneness that transcends individual existence. This awareness brings a deep sense of peace and fulfillment.